You're watching NewsNet India. 134 more cases of coronavirus in Delhi. On Tuesday, 134 new patients of coronavirus were found in Delhi and 8 infected people died. According to the health department, the infection rate in the city has come down to 0.20%. According to the department bulletin, Vardhaman Mahavir Medical College and its attached Safdarganj Hospital on Monday reported 263 cases on the ICMR portal for the last week. Rajasthan. Waitlisted candidates want Gehlot government to fill up 5,000 vacancies. Candidates recruited to around 5,000 posts in government department in Rajasthan resigned after they got better paying jobs. Ashok Gehlot government is yet to fill these posts with waitlisted candidates. Indian Navy and Air Force to participate in war games with US Navy's nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. The Indian Navy and Indian Air Force will hold joint exercise with the US Navy in Thiruvananthapuram on June 23rd and June 24th. The two-day exercise aimed to strengthen the bilateral relationship between two countries. Nurses in Maharashtra Government Hospital go on strike. Medical services likely to be hit for next 2 days. The nurses from 24 districts, including 1,300 nurses from Mumbai's JJ Hospital, are participating and protesting over various pending demands, including promotion and COVID-19 allowances. If their demands are not met, then they will go for an indefinite strike. World's biggest rich going into space. These petitions were launched 3 days after the announcement of Bezos going to space. They said billionaires should not live on Earth, they can live in space. This is the demand of 94,000 people. Do not come back to Earth. Big action against Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi, Mehul Chokshi. Property worth 9,371 crores transferred to banks. The assets worth rupees 9,371 crores of these three have been transferred to state-run banks to make up for the loss caused due to the fraud. The ED said that in the Vijay Mallya and PNB bank fraud cases, 40% of the amount of the banks was recovered through the sale of the shares seized under the PMLA. Indigo offers for those above 18 years, get vaccinated and get 10% off on tickets. Aviation company Indigo will give a 10% discount from Wednesday to all the passengers who have received at least one dose of corona vaccine. The airline said that the exemption will be given on the basis of fees.